Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, we just got some McDonald's. So let's see some McDonald's. Guys, look how much of barbecue I have. So they didn't have 10-piece, so I got a 4-piece nugget and a 6-piece nugget. So 6 with 4, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, let's get eating. So guys, got a chicken nugget. So let's eat. French fry. These French fries are awesome. Guys, look at that same old barbecue. You guys, let's get eating. Oh yeah. And we also got vanilla milkshake. Guys, comment down below if you like McDonald's, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. So let's get some 10s in there.